Alright guys, welcome back to another G Auto Repair YouTube video. This is going to be a very quick video on a follow-up to this 2005 Lincoln Aviator. I was having an issue with the AC leaking through a pressure switch, which I've already replaced, by the way. Let me show you the old one real quick. This is the old one, and it was literally leaking through the casing of the pressure switch. This is the low side pressure switch, and there's the original connector. And the problem that I was facing with this is that this pressure switch comes with the expansion valve, and it's been discontinued. It is no longer in production as per Lincoln. So you can get the block, the expansion block, all day aftermarket, no issue. But that switch I couldn't find to save my life. Now I don't know if it was a cataloging problem or whatever the case may be, but I couldn't find it to save my life. And the dealer didn't make it anymore, so I was stuck there for a little bit. But I did find one, an aftermarket universal, I believe, and it does fit. It screws right into it. I was able to find this in Eagle Overhauling over in Hialeah, and they gave it to me with the sensor and the pigtail, which is just simple spade, female spade connectors with 2 wires, and then this little fancy cover that goes over the sensor. And you just cut and splice, put it back together, and bada bing, bada boom, you're done. So as you can see, the AC is working. This is the temperature inside. I recharged it. It is really hot out here, so the AC is doing what it can. But as you can see, it's cooling. There's moisture condensation forming in the low side lines. And if you go inside, you could see, well, you can't, but I can. You can feel that it's cooling. It is cooling, in fact. So hopefully I won't have any more leaks. If you are having a similar situation where you can't locate that part, you can get a universal pressure switch from your AC supply or whatever, and it will screw on there. All you got to do is make the connection here, and that's it, you're done. So just wanted to do a quick video about that. Hope this helps anybody that's having the same issue, because I've been running around for months. Obviously I've been busy doing other things, but I've had to recharge the system a couple times, 2 or 3 times already for the customer. She really doesn't use it a whole lot, so it just sits there for weeks at a time, who knows, and then by the time she gets to it, the AC is not working again. So it's kind of frustrating. But hopefully we won't have no more leaks or anything. That was the primary thing that I found. So this is done. Like I said, I hope I'm not going to have any more issues. So again, universal pressure switch works wonders. All you got to do is make the connection. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed. Hope it helps. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Ciao.